Hey guys, it's Sean Ray. I'm coming to you just to share another quick video about who I am. In my first video, I'll let you guys know that I'm a musician, a producer. Music is a huge, integral part of who I am, and I'm sharing some of that with you today. Featuring me and my brother Antoine Dalberry. My family was a musical family, and till this day I still play. There are things that I can say through my music that I don't even have the words to express. Church is at the heart and the core of who I am. So you're gonna hear us going through a medley of gospel church praise and worship songs. I hope you enjoy. Catch you on the next one. The Sean Ray. See you guys later. Bye.
Let the church say yeah.